This is the 2014 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque with all-wheel drive. It has just over 142,000 kilometers on the odometer, and under the hood you have a 2.0 liter turbo inline 4 engine putting out 240 horsepower and has 250 pound-feet of torque. Taking a look at the interior of this Evoque, you have power locks as well, your 3 memory seat settings for the driver's seat, power mirrors as well as power windows. You also have storage along the bottom of the door. And over here you have your power driver seat controls with power lumbar support, and your interior seating is a black leather. And we'll take a look at the odometer here. You can see there we have 142,215 kilometers. And this vehicle is push button start, so we'll start it up. And over to the left, you have your dial for your headlights and fog lights. And down here you have your button for your power liftgate, as well your dimming dial for your gauges. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your volume and Bluetooth audio controls, as well as your heated steering wheel control and your paddle shifter. And on the right-hand side, you have your other paddle shifter, as well as your controls for your display by the gauges and your cruise controls. Over here on your touchscreen display, you have your AM/FM radio, as well as CD player, USB, and auxiliary in. You also have a backup camera with front and rear parking sensors. As you move down, you have your CD player, dual zone climate controls, as well as your heated driver and passenger seating, downhill assist, eco drive mode button, as well as your button for traction control. And this is an automatic transmission. Have your drive mode select there, cup holders and storage in the middle. And in here you'll find additional storage with another power outlet, your USB port, and auxiliary in. Up on top you have a large panoramic roof. And as you can see, the interior is in great shape. You also have an auto-dimming rear view mirror with built-in garage door opener. Taking a closer look at the exterior, you have your Pirelli tires on 20-inch black alloy rims by Land Rover. And we'll take a look at the tire tread there. And we'll check out the rear of the vehicle. You do have intelligent access on all 4 door handles. You also have your rear privacy glass, your Evoque badge and Range Rover badging. You can see your rear parking sensors and trailer hitch. You do have remote keyless entry. And now we'll take a look at the trunk. Lots of cargo space here in the back. Your rear seats do fold down for extra storage. You have your carpeted mats there, a power outlet on the left-hand side, and underneath you have your spare tire. Taking a look at the rear interior, you have your power windows with storage along the bottom of the door. Lots of legroom here in the back as well. Storage along the back of the passenger and the driver's seat. You also have your rear adjustable vents and some storage there. As you can see, the rear interior is also in great condition. And in the middle here, you have your fold-down console with cup holders and storage. And if you want to find out more about this vehicle, you can check us out online at parkmazda.ca. And while you're there, you can fill out a test drive form, come on down for a test drive, and we'll hook you up with a $25 Visa gift card or 50 air miles reward miles. Also be sure to check us out on social media at Park Mazda on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.